Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Maker Activity. I'm Mr. Martin,
And I'm Miss April.
and with a little bit of help from Mother Nature, we'll be showing you how to make a unique piece of art.
Here are this week's questions to consider. Alrighty, for this project you'll need a smooth and hard work surface that you don't mind hammering or getting messy. Remember to use a hammer safely. You'll also need 2 to 3 paper towels. Paper. Watercolor paper is preferred but not necessary. A pen, scissors, an assortment of flowers and leaves. Tape and tweezers are optional. The first step is to take a walk outside and find leaves and flowers with vibrant, bright colors. You're going to want to choose some that aren't too dry but don't have too much moisture in them. Finding out which ones work best might take some trial and error. After you've gathered some plants, use your scissors to trim off any parts that connect to the flower or leaf. Basically, any squishy bits that you don't need to hammer. Place your paper on top of your work surface and then place the flowers and leaves facing down onto the paper. You may choose to tape down your plants. As you can see, I took some time to rearrange the layout. You'll then cover your plants completely with the paper towels. With a pen, gently mark the area that you'll need to hammer. Make sure to make small, even taps with the flat side of the hammer. After your plants are in place, go over the entire area carefully. Hammer in certain directions: up, down, left, right. You'll need to hit every part of the flower. Gently peel off the paper towels and check the progress of your project. That spot needs a little bit more work. Carefully remove the paper towels and peel off the leaves and flowers. You can use tweezers or you can just simply use your fingers. If the plants are stuck, you can let them dry a little and then peel or brush them off. Don't worry if they didn't come out perfect. To make it into a card, make sure the paper is dry and then fold it in half. As you can see, the roses worked out really well and the color showed up on the inside. That's an easy fix. You can attach another blank paper to the inside. And your card is done and ready to be gifted.
For the leaf printing activity, you will need a piece of paper, paint, a paintbrush, a cup with water, your choice of leaves, and finally a paper towel. To make a leaf print, begin by painting the underside of a leaf. Try not to use too much paint, but enough to cover the entire veiny side of the leaf. Once painted, simply place the leaf on the paper and press straight down. You may notice that some leaves feel like they're curved upward or downward. Do your best to just press straight down. Leave the leaf in place for a bit and then simply peel it off. Feel free to mess around with combining colors or even layering the leaves for effect. When you are finally satisfied with your design, simply let it dry. And there you have it, your own unique piece of art with the help of Mother Nature.